Before filling the cleaner tank, we're going to want to make sure that we have a couple of rags with us, our cleaner funnel, an overflow jug, and the jug of cleaner that you'll be using. First thing we'd like to do, open the splash guard, and we're going to pull our overflow hose out, which is also going to act as a vent, and we're going to put that in the jug in the case that we put a little bit too much cleaner in. That way it's not going to go on the machine or on the approaches. We then will remove our fill plug and set our funnel right in place, and we're going to see that that locks in there. I'd like to take a couple of rags and kind of protect this area so that if we do get any splashing of cleaner, once again it's not going to go down on our LDS sensor or damage anything on the machine. You have a sight glass that is actually the whole side of this tank, and that's where we're going to watch to make sure that we have the proper level. I advise you to just pour continuous, not necessarily fill the funnel. That way if you do start getting a little bit full, you can stop and you won't have a giant mess. As we can see right there, we can see the bubbles coming up to the top. And as you pour the cleaner, it is going to foam. So we really don't want to keep filling until that foam pushes out. We're just going to get about maybe an inch from the top of that. And that should be sufficient. If we actually waited a little while, that foam would settle and we could add a little bit more cleaner. We'll then replace our vent. We're just going to tuck it right back behind here. And use one of your rags to go around the bottom of the funnel, once again, so you don't have anything leaking anywhere. And clean up any visible mess if there is any. Put our fill plug back in, make sure that it does go completely flush to the bottom. And we'll close our splash guard.